harmonic slide. Right now, the previous episode we talked about the graced, what's it called now? The graced harmony. But now we're talking about harmonic slide, and we are using the same song, which is Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Normally the song is supposed to go right, so it starts with so la do do mi re do mi, but with the harmonic slide we do something like this. So instead of jumping straight to la and mi, you do, and take note, I'm using my fourth finger, my 1, 2, 3 for my fourth finger for that slide. The pinky finger will not be comfortable for that depending on the size of your hand. So well, this is harmonizing it, hence the name harmonic slide. Again. Now I use my pinky because the space required is wide enough. So it goes like this. Then you go to, you see the fingers I'm using. My number 4 finger was what I used to slide. Yeah. You see that? Do re mi re do. You're up and down. Last time now. Do re mi re do. I think you can keep doing this exercise. Do it over and over again, as many times as possible every day, 10 times every day. Get used to that movement. Then whatever particular slide is hard for you, if it is the first slide, if this is the slide that is hard for you, keep repeating that every day, and very soon you'll get it. The good thing is that if you can get the slide for this song, you've gotten it for all other songs. Like I always say, if you want to learn to drive, you don't learn to drive all the cars in the world, you learn to drive one car, and by the time you get to other cars, it's the same skill required, and you can drive all cars in the world. So focus on getting slide for this song, this technique for this song, and by the time you meet other songs, you notice that the skill required is the same. See you in the next episode. I hope this was helpful. Bye. Please subscribe.